Imagine standing on the edge of the ocean, looking out at the endless water. The surface may seem calm and peaceful, but beneath those waves lies a world we barely understand. A world so deep and mysterious that even today, most of it remains unexplored. And in that darkness, giants may be hiding. Creatures so massive and powerful that for centuries, sailors believed they were monsters.
Stories of enormous shadows beneath ships. Massive tentacles rising from the water. And gigantic creatures disappearing into the depths. For a long time, people believed these were only myths.
But science has revealed something incredible.
Some of these ocean giants are real.
Far below the surface, in the cold and dark depths of the ocean, enormous creatures are living quietly, unseen by human eyes.
One of the most mysterious of these giants is the giant squid.
For hundreds of years, sailors told stories of enormous squids attacking ships.
They described tentacles longer than trees. And eyes as large as dinner plates.
Scientists thought these stories were exaggerations.
But in the early 2000s, cameras finally captured the giant squid alive in the deep ocean. Its massive tentacles are covered with powerful suction cups.
And its eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom.
Each eye can grow to nearly the size of a basketball. These enormous eyes help the squid see in the deep, dark ocean. They can detect faint movements and glowing creatures in the darkness.
At first glance, it looks similar to the giant squid.
But the colossal squid is even heavier and more powerful.
Some scientists believe it is the largest invertebrate on Earth. Its tentacles are equipped with rotating hooks.
Sharp hook designed to grab and hold struggling prey.
Unlike the giant squid, which is long and slender, the colossal squid has a thicker and more muscular body.
It lives deep in the freezing waters near Antarctica.
Very few humans have ever seen one alive.
Most of what we know about them comes from remains found in the stomachs of whales. And that leads us to another giant of the deep ocean. The legendary sperm whale. This enormous predator is the largest toothed animal on Earth.
Adult males can grow longer than 60 feet.
And they can weigh as much as 50 tons.
But what makes the sperm whale truly fascinating is where it hunts.
They can descend more than 2,000 meters into the ocean.
Down into the same dark world where giant squids live.
Deep beneath the surface, an epic battle sometimes takes place.
A giant squid versus a sperm whale.
Evidence of these battles can be seen on the whale's skin.
Many sperm whales carry circular scars on their bodies.
Marks left behind by the suction cups of giant squids.
But not all ocean giants live in the deep sea.
The largest animal to ever live on Earth is the blue whale.
Even larger than the biggest dinosaurs.
Blue whales can grow up to 100 feet long. The ocean is a world where real giants live.